Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Dr. Saroj Chauhan, and I am teaching you paper number 4. And today we are going to do Lucky Jim, a novel written by Kingsley Amis. Some people say that Kingsley. No, it's not Kingsley. It's Kingsley Amis. You have to stress Amis. कोई कहते हैं Amis ये वो. There is wrong. Lucky Jim by Kingsley Amis. Now, let me discuss this novel with you people. I will discuss it with summary and characters so that you can understand it very well. You can note time. I will teach you for 30 minutes. After that, we will go there in the English language lab. So, this novel, Lucky Jim, it is named after one of the main characters. One of the main characters whose name is Dixon or James Dixon or Jim. These three names stand for only one person, and who is Lucky Jim. Right? This novel has 25 chapters. 25 chapters. And these chapters are very small chapters. Some chapters are of 5 pages and some are of 10 pages. Very short. You can read this novel on internet. Don't purchase it. Read it on internet. And if you want to, you can purchase it. So now the question arises, the first question which arises, that why this Jim, when his name is Dixon, James Dixon and Jim, why he is lucky? It is your most important question, because this novel's title is eponymous. Eponymous means a novel or a play which is named after its main character. That is eponymous, which is named after the name of a character, and then the title is Lucky Jim. We will discuss this question, why Jim is lucky, afterwards. Now let us start from James Dixon. This Dixon, James Dixon, he is a lecturer in medieval history. You come to know that who is the main hero of the novel. He is James Dixon, a lecturer. He is a lecturer in medieval history. Moreover, he is temporary. He is not permanent. He is temporary. Then he is on probation. He is on probation. Probation means 2 years probation is there. For example, I am a professor. We also have done 2 years probation. That means in those 2 years, there must not be any negative comment against any professor or lecturer. Otherwise, it becomes a hurdle in his or her promotion. So, now his first year of probation is yet to complete, and 1 whole year is left. It is at the end of first year's probation, and not intelligent. He is not intelligent. He is not intelligent. He is from lower class, very immature, working class, faculty member. He has no knowledge. He doesn't know his subject. He hates his subject. Yet he clings to the job. He wants to be permanent. Permanent होना चाहता है. For that there are two positions. He has to give a lecture on his subject, and he has to attend a musical weekend which will be held at the house of Professor Welch. Now, who is this Professor Welch? Professor Welch is HOD of James Dixon, Lucky Jam. Professor. He also doesn't know his subject very well. Even Lucky Jam, जो जिम है हमारा, he raises a question in the novel that how you became a professor, who appointed as you as a professor when you know nothing. Have you become a professor by research work, by publishing papers? And the answer to these questions is no. He hasn't done any research work, any efficiency in his subject, yet he is professor. That's why James Dixon is against Professor Welch. But in spite of this thing, he wants to impress James Dixon. James Dixon wants to impress Professor Welch. Why? Because Professor Welch is HOD and his future, whose future? James Dixon, lies in his hands. He will make him permanent. That's why he wants to gain points. That's why Kingsley Amis wants to show us that look at the standard of the professors. They know nothing. They are not master of their subject. And unluckily, I would like to say, it is happening even in these days also. In these days also, all the professors don't know their subject well. They are passing their time. It is mere a pastime, handsome salary, no problem at all. बच्चे हैं जैसे मर्जी बहका लो. That's wrong. Again, the next point is this novel is a campus novel. Campus novel. Now, what is a campus novel? A campus novel is a novel where the setting is a university or a college, or it is about a lecturer or about a professor. Such type of novel in which college life or university life is depicted is called a campus novel. So this novel is a campus novel. As we know, the hero of this novel is a professor in a provincial university. Now, what do you mean by this provincial university? Provincial university means जैसे हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में क्या होते हैं, स्टेट्स होते हैं. स्टेट्स को ही इंग्लिश में हम क्या कहते हैं, प्रोविंस कहते हैं. इन फॉरेन देयर आर प्रोविंसेस. कितने प्रोविंसेस हैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग उनकी यूनिवर्सिटीज कॉलेजेस के नाम होते हैं. किंग्सली एमिस वांट्स टू शो दैट दीज प्रोविंशियल यूनिवर्सिटीज आर कमिंग so many in number, but they are good for nothing. They are good for nothing. They can do no benefit of the students. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना कि इंजीनियरिंग की दुकानें खुल गई, दुकानें वो प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं बस लोड, वो कहीं एडजस्ट हो या ना हो, है ना. इन द सेम वे, where there is college life or university life and the life of the faculty is depicted, that novel is called campus novel.